Good day gamers, welcome to the channel. So want to connect your Ubisoft account to Epic Games so you can play titles like Assassin's Creed from your Epic library? Well, I've got the quick and easy steps to link them up. So linking Ubisoft account to Epic lets you launch Ubisoft games like Far Cry or Rainbow Six bought on the Epic Games Store. It syncs through Ubisoft Connect, their launcher, so you have access to your progress and rewards. No link, no play, simple as that. So you need to fire up the Epic Games launcher on your PC login, then click your profile icon, top right corner, hit account, and then apps and accounts on the left. Look for Ubisoft Connect. If it's not linked, click Connect. It'll redirect you to a Ubisoft login page in your browser. Stay with me. Log into your Ubisoft account. Use the same email and password you've got for Ubisoft Connect. If your country settings differ between Epic and Ubisoft, match them first in your Ubisoft profile to avoid errors. Hit authorize and you'll get a success message. Back in Epic, Ubisoft should now show as linked under apps and accounts. That's it, your Ubisoft account's connected to Epic Games. Launch your game from Epic and Ubisoft Connect will kick in seamlessly. Love this? Smash that like, subscribe guys, and drop a comment if you hit any snags. See you in the next one, guys. Game on.